Hey my loves, welcome back. If you all are new here, welcome to the channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing my hair and my makeup. I'm going to be showing you guys how I braid my own hair. I often do this hairstyle where I will do big chunky braids. This is so quick and easy for me during the week. All I got to do is just kind of retouch it in the morning and that's it. So as you guys can see, I started off with some hair moisturizer and then I'm going in with some jam. So for this hairstyle, I am just feeding in big chunks of braiding hair to give that big braid look. I do recommend to flat iron your hair before this hairstyle if you are natural, because it'll last longer. But if you have straight hair, you should be fine. But if you are natural, if you want to put heat on your hair, I recommend to flat iron your hair so it can last longer. I just didn't feel like doing it. I just wanted to hurry up and do my hair. So I start off with my real hair. I do a few braiding, I don't know what you would call that, but I would start off braiding my real hair and then I would start feeding in the braiding hair, and I would gradually make the pieces bigger that I'm feeding in. So I started off with a medium size and then the pieces will get bigger. So the chunkier you want your two braids to be, the bigger that, you know, the hairstyle will be. So this was just a medium size braids. They were big, but I could have gone a little bit chunkier with the pieces. But the bigger the pieces get, the harder it is to braid it, especially if you're doing it by yourself and trying to keep your hair smooth. It is a challenge, but this is actually a quick hairstyle. It only took me like 25 minutes. So this hairstyle is good for work, weekend vacation. I think this is going to be a nice hairstyle for the summertime. If you want something quick, if you know how to feed in, you know, braiding hair, or you can use your real hair. There was a point where I would use my real hair and it'll still look cute with like some hoop earrings. In the summertime, it'll be really cute if you do that. But yeah, I'm just going in and adding product as I go just to smooth the hair out. But you could get somebody to do this for you that can probably smooth the hair out a little bit better. But like I said, if you flat iron your hair before you do this hairstyle, it'll be a lot easier. But like I said, I didn't feel like doing it, so I'm just smoothing the hair out the best as I can. The part is not that straight, but it'll do. This is a homemade hairstyle, so I'm not really tripping. And I don't know why I was braiding my hair with this hot robe on. I eventually took it off, but yeah, don't do that. Don't braid your hair with no hot robe on. And then the ring light doesn't make it any better. So I'm just going to braid it down to the end. Another thing that I like about this hairstyle, it looks like your real hair, especially if you are natural and your natural hair waves up like mine's do. When I put product on it, immediately when I put some on it, it started to wave up. And this hairstyle looks like I have extremely long hair, and like I just put it in 2 braids, so I really like it. I've been really loving to just wear braiding hair. I like using it as a bun. I like using it for this hairstyle, so it comes in handy. So I recommend to have a few packs of hair just in case you just, you're in between hairstyles. So right now I'm just pinning the back part to my liking, and I have to do this several times because usually the first 2 times I don't like the way I pin it, but I finally came to a pin style in the back that I like. The only thing I don't like is I don't like the way it feels when I'm sleeping, because I like to sleep on my back. But this is the final results. Like, it doesn't take any time for this hairstyle at all. It's so quick and easy. Like I said, if you know how to braid or feed in, and that's the way I pin it in the back with just some bobby pins. And you see how it looks like it's my actual hair. So yeah, it's super cute. And this is just one of my go-to hairstyles. Next, we're going to get started on the makeup. So the focus of this makeup look, I want to show you guys how to get a easy brown smoky eye. So you know how you get white concealer, and you use white concealer as a blank canvas to make your eyeshadow pop. That is a really popular makeup hack to do. So I figured if I get a dark brown concealer like the one that I showed you guys from Nicka, you got to make sure the concealer is at least 2 shades darker than you. And then you can use that as a eye base on your eyes to get a easy smoky eye look. So therefore the brown eyeshadow can pop a little bit more. So it's no difference from using a white concealer when you're trying to make your nude eyeshadows pop or just colorful shades pop. So this is more so for like a brown eyeshadow, and I just put it on my eyes, as you guys can see, and I buffed it out with a Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush, and that's about it. And then you're going to go in and you're going to set that concealer with a brown eyeshadow, which is the point of this video. So we're doing a smoky brown eye. Makeup look is so easy for beginners, and why not use the Juvia's Place Warrior palettes? They have some really nice browns in each palette. I'm going to go in with the second color in the top row, and I'm going to use that to set the concealer and just to create my smoky eye. So go ahead, go and get you some brown concealers that is at least 2 or 3 shades darker than you to create that brown smoky eye. And you can also probably use this with the black eyeshadow too, but if you just want like a simple everyday brown eyeshadow and you don't want it to look patchy, I recommend to put brown concealer on your eyes. And as you guys can see, the brown, it projects even more when you put it on top of that concealer. And I'm just using a angled eyeshadow brush, and I'm just packing that color on top. Next, I'm going to go back into the palette and take that shade that I pointed out to you guys, and I'm going to use that shade just to blend out the edges, and so the look can look more put together. And I just wanted to add a little bit of warmth to the look, so I'm taking just a little bit and I'm just diffusing out those edges as well. And then I'm gonna go in another shade in that palette. It's like an orangey shade. I'm gonna take a blending brush, that orange shade that's in the middle in the second row. I'm gonna take that on a fluffy not Wet n Wild, but elf eyeshadow brush, and just take that and just do windshield wiper motions just to blend everything together. And this is also adding some more warmth to the look. I just think reddish brown and orangey shades look really good with the color brown. And I'm just going to go ahead and proceed with my face, but I just wanted to show you guys how to get a easy smoky eye look. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. This is my hair and my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love looks like this. It's so simple. It's so pretty. I did go ahead and add some gold. Gold and brown always work. So I added a little pop of gold in my inner tear duct. And let me know if you guys want to recreate the hairstyle or the makeup look. If you guys are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.